Welcome to the Ultimate Guide. Today, we're diving into creating your Xbox Gamertag on your phone. Let's get started. First, download the Xbox app from your App Store. It's quick and free. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign In to begin your account setup. Don't have an account? No worries. Tap Create One to set up your new Xbox account. Fill in your details, email, password, and security questions. Keeping it safe is key. Finally, choose your unique gamertag. Make it fun and reflective of your gaming style. Once you select your gamertag, follow the prompts to finalize your account settings. Take a moment to review your profile. Make sure everything looks perfect before gaming. And there you have it. Your new Xbox gamertag is ready for action. Join the gaming community and have fun conquering new challenges with friends online. Remember, your gamertag is your gaming identity. Make it memorable. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming, and don't forget to like and subscribe.